Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace or upgrade an old outlet that you might have around the house. Step 1, remove that plate. This is really easy, you just pull it right off, a couple screws, but before you do anything else, make sure you always turn off your power. Always, no exceptions. Okay, once you have that done, you can pull the light socket out and you can actually see that there's nothing scary going on back here. You have your black wire and your white wire, which is your hot and your neutral, and we're gonna replace it with a new 20 amp wall socket. All you have to do is start disconnecting those wires since your power is off. And this is really easy. Just loosen the screws and pull those off, a black, a white, and your ground. And then you can connect them to the back of your new outlet. It should be labeled hot, which is black, white, which is neutral, and your ground always goes to the green. And for other people that are wondering, this is the proper way to do a pigtail. At least is what they call it in the electrical world. I've had comments on some of my other videos on how to do this. You pretty much take 2 or 3 black wires or 2 or 3 white wires and you bind them together. And then from there, you lead off with one which goes out to the outlet. This helps with organization. Some code requires it. It's a little bit safer way to do your electrical work, but this is usually referred to as a pigtail. It also helps keep everything organized inside the box. Now, all we have to do is get this thing back in there, tuck the wires nicely, and secure your socket back into the box. Then, of course, we got to put a new plate on it. I'll have a link to all these parts in my video. Now that we have it all back together, I can go ahead and plug back in my watering system. And now I have an extra outlet that I can use for this freezer that we had in the garage. This was an old plug that we had in the house, and I wanted to upgrade it so that we could actually plug some more things in. It was just an old 20 amp plug. I'll show you guys here. It's just a regular 20 amp plug, and we just wanted to upgrade it so that there was 2 that we could actually use it for more things. This is something you can do around your house. It's a really easy upgrade. It's only a couple dollars. You can definitely do it yourself and save some money. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next build.